We have our own factory near Hong Kong. We produce and manufacture the booth in mainland of China. This makes the cost be lower and competitive. We have a great team in Hong Kong, working team, and we can assemble the booth and fabricate the booth perfectly. During the showing time, we can maintain the booth. And after the fair is over, we can dismantle the booth. We can even help you to deliver your exhibits and products. Of course, we have a professional team of designing and renderings. If you've got a trade show in Hong Kong, don't be hesitant to approach me for your booth design and construction. Welcome to attend the trade fairs in Hong Kong. Welcome to visit China.